As men age, circulation naturally slows down, especially in the lower parts of the body. But what if I told you that one simple morning food can help support healthy blood flow, energy, and vitality naturally? Hi, I'm Dr. Angelina Dcosta, and in today's video, I'll reveal the science-backed morning habit that many men over 60 are using to stay active, confident, and full of life. But before I begin, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our trusted health advice made especially for seniors and caregivers. Let's get started. Firstly, let's see why circulation slows after 60. As men grow older, it's natural for the body to experience certain changes, one of the most important being slower blood circulation. After the age of 60, the walls of blood vessels begin to lose their flexibility, and the body produces less nitric oxide, a compound that helps blood flow smoothly. This means your heart has to work harder to move oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Over time, lifestyle factors like lack of movement, dehydration, poor diet, and stress make this slowdown even more noticeable. You may feel cold hands or feet, fatigue, or lower energy during the day. But the good news is, these changes can be supported naturally, through healthy habits, the right foods, and gentle daily exercise. In this video, I will explain why circulation changes with age, and how you can keep your blood flow strong and healthy after 60. The circulation boosting morning food. Starting your day with the right food can do more for your health than you might imagine, especially when it comes to improving blood circulation. We'll share a simple, natural morning food that supports better blood flow, energy, and vitality for men over 60. This powerful food works by helping your body produce nitric oxide, a compound that keeps blood vessels open and flexible. When consumed on an empty stomach, it helps improve oxygen flow throughout the body, making you feel more awake, energetic, and confident. Dr. Angelina explains the science behind this food, how it benefits your heart and stamina, and the correct way to include it in your breakfast routine. No supplements, no side effects, just a natural, safe habit that can help you stay active, healthy, and full of life every single day. Next, let's move on to our main section: morning foods to include in your diet. Beetroot and pomegranate are two natural foods that can truly make a difference in your daily health, especially for men over 60. We'll explain how these colorful fruits support better blood circulation, heart health, and overall energy without the need for medication or supplements. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates that help open up blood vessels, improving oxygen flow and stamina throughout the day. Pomegranate, on the other hand, is packed with antioxidants that protect your arteries and promote healthy blood pressure. When taken in the morning, together or separately, they can help you feel lighter, more active, and refreshed. I will also share simple ways to include them in your breakfast routine for long-lasting results. This natural approach is safe, effective, and perfect for anyone who wants to age gracefully while keeping their heart and body strong. Next, I will explain the correct way to take it every morning to get benefits. Knowing how to take your morning circulation food correctly is just as important as knowing what to eat. I will explain the right and effective way to include beetroot or pomegranate in your morning routine for maximum benefit. The best time to consume them is early in the morning on an empty stomach, when your body absorbs nutrients more efficiently. You can drink half a glass of fresh beetroot juice or enjoy one whole pomegranate before breakfast. Wait for about 20 minutes before eating your regular meal to allow the body to process it properly. Pair it with a balanced breakfast, like oats, eggs, or nuts for lasting energy. This simple yet powerful morning habit helps you feel active, refreshed, and confident all day long, naturally and safely. In this inspiring part of the video, I will share the real-life story of my 67-year-old patient who experienced a remarkable transformation through simple, natural changes. The patient, like many men his age, struggled with low energy, poor circulation, and constant fatigue. Instead of prescribing medication, I encouraged him to start his mornings with fresh beetroot juice. Within just a few weeks, he noticed visible improvements. His energy levels rose, his legs felt lighter, and his overall mood became more positive. This story is a reminder that age is not a barrier to feeling healthy and active. With consistency, good nutrition, and the right mindset, it's possible to restore vitality naturally. Our approach focuses on safe, practical lifestyle habits that anyone can follow to support better circulation and overall well-being, no matter their age or health background. Good circulation isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you live every day. In this part of the video, I will share simple and natural habits that help maintain strong blood flow, especially for men over 60. Staying hydrated is key. Drinking enough water keeps your blood thin and moving smoothly. Gentle exercises like walking, stretching, or light yoga keep your muscles active and vessels flexible. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats supports your heart and energy levels. Reducing fried foods, sugar, and alcohol also makes a big difference. Deep breathing and quality sleep further help your body relax and function properly. Combining these habits with your morning beetroot or pomegranate routine can create lasting improvements in stamina, strength, and overall well-being, helping you feel younger and more active every single day. Timing plays a major role in how your body responds to food and nutrients, especially when it comes to improving blood circulation. In this part of the video, I will explain why mornings are the best time to nourish your body. After a night's rest, your stomach is empty and your body is ready to absorb nutrients more effectively. Consuming beetroot or pomegranate early in the morning helps activate nitric oxide production, which supports better blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout the day. This simple timing trick allows your body to function at its best, keeping you energized, alert, and active. Morning nutrients also prepare your heart, muscles, and brain for the day's activities. I emphasizes that consistency and timing together make natural remedies more powerful, helping men over 60 maintain vitality, balance, and confidence through every stage of life. In this uplifting part of the video, I will share heartfelt words of encouragement for men over 60 who want to stay strong, healthy, and confident. I remind everyone that aging is a natural process, not a limitation. Your body is capable of healing, adapting, and improving, it just needs the right care and consistency. Small daily actions, like eating nourishing foods, staying active, and maintaining a positive mindset, can bring big changes over time. I encourage all my viewers to never give up on themselves, no matter their age. Every day is a new opportunity to take better care of your heart, your energy, and your well-being. With patience and the right habits, you can continue to live an active, fulfilling life. My message is simple: your health is your strength, and it's never too late to start making it stronger. As we come to the end of this video, remember that maintaining strong circulation and energy after 60 is not about quick fixes or expensive supplements, it's about consistent, natural habits that support your body from the inside out. Starting your morning with a simple food, like beetroot or pomegranate, can make a noticeable difference in how you feel, energize your day, and promote healthy blood flow. But it doesn't stop there. Pairing this habit with hydration, gentle daily movement, stretching, balanced nutrition, and quality sleep creates a complete foundation for lasting health. Small steps, taken consistently, lead to remarkable results over time. The key message is simple: age is not a barrier to vitality. Your body responds when you provide it with the right tools, and even small, consistent changes can dramatically improve your stamina, confidence, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, take action today. Start your morning with this circulation-boosting food, commit to small daily habits, and watch your energy and confidence grow. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends or family who may benefit, and subscribe to my official Dr. Angelina Dcosta's channel for more safe, natural, doctor-backed tips. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our health guidance for men over 60. Take care all of you. Thanks for watching.